Grabe si Sir Paul. Tumitigil sa tres, tumitiran. Oy! Parang! 2 points para kay Parang. Parang area Acucho. Mamansag. Kabili. Boss Ian de la Cruz, sidestepping. Oy! Kagawin! Lolo. Nilabas ang bola ni Lolo Bron. Sa Gedli. No! Di mo nito foul. Perfect opportunity kay Parang. No! Hesitation. Pinasa. Huli ni Kenny Boy. Diretso. Bago po, foul. 3-1 na naman. Foul. 2 points. What a game. Showing Vida. Undefeated. Oy, Kapili inside. No. Kapili. And 60 in. Decided for 3, no. On the middle, hesitation. Tries to go inside, creates a foul. Right, Ian de la Cruz. On the right side, walking the decent finishes. Offensive foul, Paranay. De la Cruz. Nasobrahan sa hawig. Foul, setting up the play, walking his champion jersey. Back to Dan Parao on the left side to decided 60. No, that is a ball. Baseline ball. Dan Parao takes in 3. No, that's hesitation. And 3 for Parao. Baby. Sama kay Daddy, 2 points. Basketball ka din, Pau on the move to get excited for 3. That's air ball, opponent's ball. De la Cruz. Oh, yeah, that's traveling. That's foul. Okay, bowling foul. That's a peekaboo coming from that foul. Reyes on the left side, Brown Ranger. Boy, clock is over. 6 on the screen and leaps it. Kenji on the wall with a pass to the Parao. So the opening, that's too high. De la Cruz step on the left side, spin. Back to Kapili. Inside. No, trying to create another one. No, Kenji's there using his quickness. Kenji airs. No. De la Cruz once again. De la Cruz with a big pass. No, Kapili. No, De la Cruz on it. De la Cruz hesitation and create. And 1 auto shot. Paranay. Eagle. De la Cruz. Score natin. 9-7. 5 remaining. Last 7 minutes in the game. And that's for 10-7. Decided on the move. Back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan for 3. And back 3. That's good for the 10. No on the left side. Back to Reyes. Finding the open man on the left wing. No. Uh-oh, that's struggling violation. Kim Side setting up the play. Kim Side on the right side. Oh, Pau. Get it? Kim Side open. No. Reyes for the rebound. Reyes trying to break, cross break, but no one is there. Dan Parao on the right side. Miguel, that's speedy. No. tayo. No, tira mo, hindi, on the left side, open man. No, sliding for the rebound, Pau Pau, on the open, on the left knee, and makes it down.
Change score.
Change score. All the well. Ganda ng laban, ha? All 12. Ian De La Cruz. Gonzag on the right side, making. No. Orpia. Gonzag opening. Kapili. Oh, 3 seconds. What condition? Fastball gaming. Kakao. The don't anymore. Stop. On 3. Too short. Kapili ang bola. Kapili. Back to Kapili. Inside. Using his body. No. On the opening. Kapapek. Simple. Kapili. In the long hair. Back to Ian De La Cruz. Ian De La Cruz. Back to Reyes. Reyes. 6 and 3. No. Kapitan. Nakay Migi. Awala. Migi. Migi. Inside. Inaliwa. And that's foul. That's 2 free throw para kay Migi. First throw para kay Migi. No. Another throw para last throw. Ready jumper. Yes, sir. Turning 12. Ian De La Cruz. Ian. Oh, Pumira using the board. No. Oh, Ian. Nagparaw. Passing. Kennedy. 3 on 1. 15-12. On the right side. Kapil is making the right side. On the middle. Finding the board. 2 points para kay Kapil. On the right side. Kennedy throws it. No. Fast break opportunity once again for Gonzag. Stops spiking inside it. Kapili takes and makes it. Robin Kapili. Pangilinan setting up the play. Pangilinan. Sided. Wide open.
Ay, sayang. Down.
3 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. On the right side, 6 in. No. Para for the rebound. Kapili saves the day. Kapili inside. Oh, inside pass. Back to Kapili. Step up for 3. And it goes. Nakatiro kay Paro bola. Nagparaw on the middle. Back to Pau. For 3. And that's it. Inside the opening, wide open. No one is there. Easy 2 points para kay Robin Kapili. 18-17. KG. Oh, 19. 2 points. 19-18. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. Kabasa, number 27. Batu, De La Cruz, and exit. 20-19. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds in the game. Let's go. Oh, Miguel takes. No. Let's have catch up on. Oh, wow. No. That was Migi. Yes. The offensive rebound. Robin Kapili wide open. Oh, he went back. Wow. My goodness. Robin Kapili. What a move. That deadly crossover.
Last 2 minutes.
Final 1 minute and 50 seconds. No, 22-21. Sa nila ulit. Kamansan. Pinalit. Nakay Paraw ang bola. Paraw. Bago po Pau. Stop. Bago Benji. Wide open. Oy, pinalagay team. Pinamopen. Pau for 3. No. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds in the game on the right side. Crossover. La Cruz. No. In the middle. Oh, fighting for board. Kanina pa rin ang offensive rebound. Robin Gabili. No.
50 seconds.
Gabili inside. Gets it. In. Robin Gabili.
40 seconds.
Last 40 seconds. Again. Get inside for the play. By Jeffrey. My goodness. 25-24.
30 seconds.
High percentage shot. Last 25 seconds again. 25-24. Inside. That's a power play. And creates it out. That's 2 free throws para kay Reyes. Final 40 seconds. And 25 ball. Last 40 seconds on 25. Oh, and he's touched the ball.